Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10. Presented by
ACT FiberNet.
Powered by Nourish.
Welcome back. The unnecessary debate on 21 as the uniform legal marriage age continues to get some extreme reactions. I believe, this network believes, and most of India believes, it should be 21 for all, men and women. Our hashtag tonight is 21 for all. If you agree with me, use the hashtag. If you disagree as well, use the hashtag. Let's start a debate on 21 for all, but whichever way, end the debate once and for all. Let's debate.
I say to the honorable gentleman this: we are in our democracy 75 years late in providing equal rights to men and women to enter into matrimony.
Smriti Irani, the Women and Child Development Minister, introducing the Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill 2021, a bill that seeks to fix 21 years as the uniform age of marriage for women and men, a bill that seeks equality.
बेटियों के लिए शादी की उम्र को 21 साल करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। देश ये फैसला बेटियों के लिए कर रहा है।
Even before the bill was introduced, there have been extreme political reactions.
प्रधानमंत्री न्यू इंडिया की बात कर रहे हैं। न्यू इंडिया में सबसे बड़ी ये चीज तो है जब वो लड़की वोट डाल सकती है और वो चूज कर सकती है कि देश का प्रधानमंत्री कौन होगा, देश का एमपी कौन होगा, एमएलए कौन होगा। आप क्यों रोक रहे हैं उसको अपना पार्टनर चूज करने के लिए?
And misogynistic regressive comments have been made.
मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि 18 साल की उम्र रहे तो ज्यादा बेहतर है। गरीब देश है, अब गरीब देश में बच्ची हैं, बहरहाल जब बड़ी हो जाती हैं तो उन्हें फिक्र हो जाती है।
तो मैं समझता हूँ एज बच्चियों की एज जिस वक्त वो मैच्योर हो जाएं और फर्टाइल एज में आ जाएं तो शादी हो जानी चाहिए।
The government seems to be taking the considerations seriously. It has even referred to the standing committee.
सभी धर्म, सभी जाति, सभी समुदाय की महिलाओं को समानता का अधिकार विवाह की दृष्टि से मिलना चाहिए। I would request that it be sent to the standing committee. आज का ये निर्णय, ये इंट्रोडक्शन राष्ट्र के इतिहास में एक निर्णायक कदम है।
If both men and women can get married at 21, what's the problem?
We have Sanju Verma of the BJP, Mamta Kale, Amber Zaidi on one side, and we have Waris Pathan of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihad ul-Muslimin, who wants to decide for women. In fact, if he could have his way, he would want 15 and 16-year-old girls to be married off, if he could have his way. But we cannot let people like Waris Pathan, Mamta, have their way, can we? And on the debate tonight, we also have Reverend Abhijit Sasane, he's Secretary of the Bible Society of India. The real issue, and I want to open with this, with people like Waris Pathan, is that they make everything about religion. Everything. Everything comes down to religion. Do I get a vote bank? Do I polarize people? Do I provoke people? But tell me, Waris, should child marriages be allowed? And as per your logic, what stops any father or mother or anyone from forcing a 15-year-old girl into marriage? I'm opening with you. I'm giving you a chance. I'm being considerate to you, Waris. Yes. So tomorrow, for example, let me elaborate. Let me elaborate, please. Let me elaborate, please. Let me elaborate and be very clear. If tomorrow any religion's personal law allows marriage of a girl upon attaining the age of puberty, right? Should we allow it?
Well, now may I make my point, Mr. Arnab Goswami, if you have finished with yours?
I haven't finished,
well, Arnab,
but you may.
I would like Mr. Modi to issue a circular to all the hospitals. Wherever a child is born, his name should be decided by Modi. What he should wear, which school he should go, what religion should he profess, where he should get married, what food he should eat. Let Modi decide everything. Who is Modi to decide at what age should I get married? An 18-year-old.
1 minute, Sanju, let him finish. Sanju, let him finish. Sanju, let him finish. Let him finish.
To choose the MLA. An 18-year-old girl has a right to vote. An 18-year-old girl has a right to elect an MLA, an MP. He can choose a Prime Minister of the country. Why should an 18-year-old girl not be allowed to get married at that particular age? I am asking a simple question. Who is Modi to decide the age? Why is he interfering into the personal life of an individual? It's a fundamental right. 18, a girl gets mature. She has got a right to enter into a living relationship. She has a right to enter into a contract for doing a business. She can enter into a business with an individual. She can enter into a business. She can enter into a living relationship with a partner. She can enter into a sexual relationship.
Okay. One second. 1 minute. Waris, I got your point. Waris, I got your point. The problem with your arguments very often, Waris, is, the substantial part of it is like an iceberg. It is above the water. Most of your argument, which makes no sense, is the size of the iceberg which is hidden under the water. Sanju will respond. Sanju will respond to you. The debate is open. Sanju.
Modi dictated stuff makes sense to you. When I make a logical argument, does not make sense to you, Mr. Arnab.
Sanju is on the debate.
Arnab, do you understand?
Waris, you stop now. Waris, still that becomes the problem, You continue like this. I opened with you. Did I not open with you? Did I not open with you? You won't hear a fellow panelist speak? In fact, I think you're a bit of a misogynist. Thank you.
I will not speak unless this man shuts up.
She was interjecting.
He's only trying to...
Let him continue ranting.
You were interjecting. You were a habit. Though I am...
Fine, continue ranting.
No, we have fought enough of your rants.
You're an indecent man.
You continue your rants.
That is why the people of Baikonur asked you to leave.
You are the same. Same to you. Same to you.
Okay, Waris, thanks. Waris, thank you very much.
Without being heckled, can I make my point? Please ask this uncouth man to shut up. This is not done.
You don't take this kind of words, please. I know how to use.
Thank you very much, I said.
I know.
Thank you very much. India says 21 for all. Sanju Verma's turn. The debate is on. Waris, I'm going to take you off screen for a while. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnab. Thank you for showing Waris Pathan his place. I want to now make a couple of points. First and foremost, this argument that at 18 you can have a driving license. At 18 you're an adult. You can choose your life partner. So why the need to raise the marriage threshold limit from 18 to 21? So the simple answer to that is that if you're talking purely of biological maturity, then in fact, scientific studies have shown that in many cases, girls as young as 9 and 11 attain puberty. So by that logic, if biological maturity and puberty are the only determinants, are you going to tomorrow say that a 9 to 11-year-old child getting married is something that we need to acknowledge and validate? The answer is no. So first and foremost, let's understand that scientific studies have shown that if the age of women is 21 or beyond, when they enter into matrimony and bear children, they get larger opportunities with respect to education, with respect to their career-making decisions, and also, let's be very clear that at 21 and more will also lower the maternal mortality rate. It will lower the infant mortality rate. It will open up education opportunities. It will open up more career opportunities. And shame on people from the Samajwadi Party like Shafiqur Rahman Barq, who's an MP from the Samajwadi Party, and S.T. Hassan. I heard their language. They said, अरे 18 साल क्या 14, 15, 16 में भी लड़की की शादी हो सकती है. यदि हम जल्दी शादी नहीं करेंगे तो लड़कियां आवारगी करेंगी. The women will tend to become promiscuous if they are not married off by the age of 14, 15 or 16. It is exactly to counter this predatory mindset. It is exactly to counter this misogynistic mindset. It is exactly to counter this parochial mindset. It is exactly to counter this narrow-minded and regressive mindset that the Modi government has decided to raise the minimum threshold limit from 18 to 21. It will also bring in gender equality. यदि लड़कों की शादी 21 साल या उसके बाद होगी तो लड़कियों की 18 साल में क्यों होनी चाहिए? In fact, I think we are moving in the right direction towards a uniform civil code, because this law will apply to all religions. It will apply to Muslims, it will apply to Parsis, it will apply to Christians, it will apply to Hindus. Because often I am asked on social media, is this right to the marriage limit only applicable to Hindus?
I look at it very simply. I look at it very simply, and may I please get everyone to come in. Waris began the debate by saying, Amina Sherwani, you're a social activist, you can debate with Amber Zaidi, and then I'll bring in Mamta and Abhijit after that. He said that women become mature by the age of 18. So, do men become immature by the age of 18? What kind of argument is that? I don't understand it.
Reduce it to 18.
Now let me say something about men. Men take a very long time to mature, and I think Waris Pathan Sahab is also entering his phase where maybe he is going to mature in a few years. We are hoping for him to start maturing so that we can hear some wisdom from him. The issue is there are many, many problems related here. We have teenage pregnancy. We have young children. In fact, the biological age of children, children are getting becoming sexually aware at much younger ages now than they were before. So we have to protect and safeguard children. They may physically be ready to do a certain thing, but emotionally and mentally, there is a lot more preparation still to happen.
Right.
So it is extremely important to safeguard children, the young people. 21 years in today's world, today is a very complicated world now. So 21 years for boys and girls, and I think actually maybe we should raise it further for boys, make it 25. Because men take definitely a longer time to mature, but that does not mean you go on reducing the age of the women to get married. You increase the age of men if you feel further. If you want to make it 25, go ahead and make it 25 for men. But do not go on reducing the age for girls to get married because the men are not maturing fast enough. So it's extremely important to safeguard the younger generation. It is extremely important to safeguard and see that they don't have children very young, because how will they bring up those children when they themselves are in a state of confusion? So for this generation and the next generation, it's very crucial.
No, and I think it's very dangerous to let religious law come in the way. When an argument is made that this is about my religious right, okay, I would say that according to...
Let me also correct Waris Pathan here. The Quran is very, very clear in saying that people should only get married when they have completed...
Did I say about religion? Did I speak about any religion? No. Let me correct you, madam. Now enough we have listened to. I heard you. Let me.
No. You listen to her. You listen to her. You listen to her. You put your hand down. You listen to her, Waris, now. You listen to her. You listen. Let her complete her point. Let her complete her point. Let her complete her point. She will complete her point. Fade her down. Fade her down. She completes her point.
Completion of your puberty, not at the beginning of your puberty. Puberty is a process that takes 5 to 7 years. It begins at the age of 12 or 13 and it does not complete before 18 or 19. So if children get married at 21, it is no big deal at all. It is absolutely as per the Quran.
Waris is completely cornered. Ambar Zaidi is also coming into the debate. Ambar, no, Waris, you're getting it back today. Right and square, 1 minute. Ambar.
We know you're not mature. Maybe your puberty is
Can I come in and make my point? First of all, for people like Waris Pathan.
Yeah. Continue.
Canada, 19. What about New Zealand? 19.
Let Ambar speak. Yeah, you're cornered badly today. Yeah, you're badly cornered today.
Why are they behind us in scientific?
Almost 125 countries across the world.
Don't allow me to make my point because you know Mr. Goswami.
You think Canada is very brilliant?
I'm exposing you here.
Waris Pathan, the girls are only to produce kids and make chapatis at home. They don't have any human rights. They are living in a democratic country. India is the largest democratic country. And still women are not having equal rights. What are you doing? You are a part of a political party, and what are you endorsing on the national television? That women are only to produce kids and they are just object of desire for men. What kind of mentality you are promoting here?
At the age of 18, women can vote at the age of 18. Women can enter into an agreement for living in relationship at the age of 18, but women cannot marry at the age of 18. What is the logic? I'm not going to understand the logic.
And
Prime Minister wants us everybody to...
Okay, now Waris, you hear others' logic. Thank you, Waris. You're cornered badly tonight, so don't whine. You agreed to come on this debate on your own. You're not being able to handle the arguments of these very articulate and intelligent women. And Ambar Zaidi has the right to speak. Waris will not heckle her anymore. Ambar, go on. Go on unimpeded. He'll keep heckling you. I know Waris.
Very clearly said that young children are permitted to live together, but they are not allowed to marry before they are 21. So living together, I think Waris Pathan should absolutely approve of the youngsters living together, checking each other out and then marrying at 21. What's the problem?
But then they cannot marry. What is this?
They need not marry, they can marry at 21. They
cannot marry. They can have a living in relationship, but they cannot marry. What logic is this? I fail to understand this logic.
I don't understand your logic. Ambar Zaidi, Ambar, volume down for Ambar. Ambar, please, I want to hear Ambar.
In a live-in relation, or they want to get married. What you trying? Are you trying to be somebody's master, or you want to dictate people to get married at a certain age? You want children to get married? What kind of mentality, mindset you are promoting? You are just promoting. You are opposing it just because it's your job to oppose it, because you are sitting in opposition. You are promoting a wrong mindset here. At least be human to welcome it. It is in favor of women of our country, and it's not particularly about Muslim community. And you just think and take women as
did you vote it or no? अरे आपने 10 साल की उम्र में वोट डाला था कि नहीं? मैं सारी बहनों से सवाल करता हूँ।
You're giving voting and settling down in life is an entirely different thing.
मेरा सवाल है,
taking such decision to settle down in life is one needs to be.
I don't mean to intrude. I don't mean to intrude. But Waris, 1 minute. Waris, just Yeah. No, one second. Ambar, 1 second. Ambar, 1 second. Let me. Okay. Now, 1 second. My ears are hurting if you don't stop. Mamta Kale is on the debate. Waris Pathan will listen.
अरे अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम करो, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान जैसा कर रहे हो वैसा अवेयरनेस फॉर द वुमेन का प्रोग्राम इंप्लीमेंट करो.
We really need to do an awareness program in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for cleaning up and cleaning up Waris's head.
Mamta.
Waris ji, what are you talking? Do you realize that you are actually discussing a very, very important issue? Do you understand that? Do you realize that? How is it? No. How can?
You answer to
no,
my
first
question.
of all, you tell me that, voting at the age of 18 and getting married at the age of 18, how are these two things common? How are these two things equal? You please tell me that. If a girl votes at the age of 18, is it necessary for her to get married at the age 18? You think that woman is a commodity? You think that woman is a commodity? What is your problem if a woman, if a girl gets married at the age of 21? What's your problem? What is your problem? You tell me that.
What logic is this? My problem is, why do you vote at the age of 18 then? Why did you vote at the age of 18 then if you are not mature enough to elect a government?
Why do you want to bring in Pakistan's law in this country? Why do you want to impose the law of the Pakistan in this country? Pakistan has been saying, and Pakistan has passed a law where they said that the girls should get married at the age of 16.
16.
Why are you singing that?
What is the age in the USA? 14. Are they fools?
No, Boris, you tell me that. Are you a citizen of India or Pakistan?
US are
First
fools.
of all, you please make one thing very clear. Are you a citizen of India or Pakistan? Why are you trying to impose the law of Pakistan in India? Why are you saying the girls should get married at the age of 16? No, you have to make your stand clear. What ridiculous argument you and your leader is giving, Mr. Owaisi, that if a girl can vote at the age of 18, she should get married at the age of 18?
In fact, I think...
what argument is this?
In fact, I think we must... Waris, I've had enough. I need you to be quiet for a while because I need to make my point made to my viewers. And I can assure you, Waris, more people want to listen to me than they want to listen to you. So you please now, I gave you your turn. You've spoken out of turn. Now you listen to me. I want to speak in peace for a minute. I want to make my point heard, and will you stop the background music? Thank you. See, the question is this. I'll have one question to Waris today. Okay? And Waris, first of all, I'll make a point to you that, we talk about development, economic growth, New India. But we are still afraid to counter practices that put women on a different level from men. We want to treat women like cattle. And if you were to start encouraging that, then tomorrow you can say that it's our tradition, nikah halala is our tradition. Female genital mutilation is our tradition. Dowry is our tradition. Child marriage is our tradition. In fact, you can even say that sati is our tradition. Right? So please understand that. Don't give me the garbage argument of tradition and religious freedom here. Don't give me the garbage argument of tradition and religious freedom here. Now I'll make my next point. I want to know one small point. Please wait, everyone wait. Please wait. I request you. This is going to be worth it. Waris, I'm talking to you. Do you hear someone when they speak to you? I'm speaking to you. I want you to answer my question, Waris. Waris, you did your law, right? You studied law after graduation? After graduation? Did you ever practice law? Did you practice law also? No? I have live view issues, connectivity issues just when I need them. I was going to ask... will you stop shouting? Okay, here's a question. Waris, I was just going to ask you, my fader up, Waris down. I want to say this. I just want to know, my question is this. I wanted to know from Waris Pathan whether he got married after he completed his graduation and his law, when he started earning a living for himself, when he became quote-unquote mature, or when he became economically independent, when he could get a job, when he could complete his education. I just wanted to ask him that because it's a very relevant question. He doesn't want any woman to get that chance. He doesn't want any woman, Abhijit Sasane, to get the chance of completing her education. He doesn't want any woman in India to get a chance of getting a job, being economically independent. So Waris, my question back to you is, did you get married after you completed your graduation, after you did your law, or did you get married in high school? Or in secondary school? I've just lost the line. It's the most relevant question. Because Waris says he has a right to have those decisions. But he feels nobody else does. Can I get a view from Abhijit? Is that not a relevant question to Waris, Abhijit? Abhijit, is it not a relevant question to Waris?
Okay, Arnab, first of all, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Right. Arnab, first of all, this is Abhijit Sasane, Reverend Abhijit Sasane from the Methodist Church. I would like to make a few points. See, the age of 21 is more than welcome. There is an echo. Some echo is coming.
I can hear you loud and clear. Please continue. Yeah.
Okay. Now, shift from 18 to 21 is more than welcome. What I would suggest is even the boy's age should be moved from 21 to maybe 25 or something more. Because one thing is sure that girls matured faster than boys.
What is this maturity
Right.
thing that you
So-
bring all the time?
No,
Mature
that's
in
okay.
which way?
I mean,
Mature in which way?
aspect,
Specify,
emotionally,
Reverend.
physically-
Reverend, specify. Don't generalize.
physically, emotionally,
Physically,
mentally.
emotionally. Okay.
I mean, but that is not my primary point. My primary point is it's too much of echo, Arnab. Too much of echo.
No, I don't understand. Usually, I would consider most men also physically mature by the age of 21. So I don't know what your argument is. You have no argument.
I need to come in, please.
Lost the
May I
audio.
make my argument? Or no, I need to make
As Waris run away from the debate, where is he? Bring him back. Yes, please. Yes, Sanju. We'll bring Waris.
Or no, I just want to say one thing, Waris Pathan said European countries have the minimum marriage age at 18 or 19. In most European countries, you have common marriage laws, common divorce laws, common inheritance laws, common succession laws. Basically, there is a uniform civil code in Europe.
Scientific
So, Waris
reason I am
Pathan,
talking about.
are you saying we should
I am
have a
talking
uniform
about
civil
scientific
code in
reason,
India?
madam.
Because I know
You
the
said
day we have
scientifically
it,
it is
you will be
proven that
up
the
in
age is
arms.
21 is better.
The day
I am
we
telling you
have
about
it,
that.
you will start crying for national television.
I
The
am
day
on
we have
scientific
uniform
reasons.
civil
In the
codes,
US,
our president
14 years at the age of 14 you can marry.
The day
In
we
UK
have
at the age of 16 you can marry. In Canada at the age of 16 you can marry. In New Zealand at the age of 16 to 18 you can get married. So why only in India?
At what age did you marry?
Scientifically it is
No, at what age did you marry? At what age did you marry, Waris?
On and on. He's not making any sense. He's simply
At what age did you marry, Waris?
I got married at
then you can go back to him. Or not, you can go
No,
back
at what age did you marry, Waris?
Madam,
I want to
the
make
problem
one
with
quick
you
point.
is
In case
I got married as per my choice. Nobody
So let women get married as per their choice. I'm sorry. No. He says, I got married as per my choice. Let women get married as per their choice.
saying you have to get married.
But ये चाहती है कि
No,
Indian
Modi is
Muslim
dictating
girls
terms. Modi is saying you should get married at 21. This is the difficulty. Now you are proper. Now you are against Modi. Now clear. Now you just rightly pointed out that Modi is dictating terms that you should get married at the age of 21.
Will you get her married at
Nobody
18?
told me that.
Does your daughter or sister
First time,
or
Mr.
wife move
Goswami, I
around
agree
with
with you.
burqa?
First
Does
time,
your
Mr.
sister or
Goswami, I
wife
agree
or
with you.
daughter move around with a burqa?
Madam, don't get personal. Did I ask you?
Your husband
What age did you get married?
Children.
Don't get personal. What age did you get married? What age did you get married? What age did you get
Stop
married?
it! Both of you! No personal attacks on my program, please. Now, we are straying. Mamta is on the debate. No personal attacks here. Stop it now, gentlemen. Mamta is on the debate.
She's asking me mine.
Yeah.
She's asking.
You know,
She's attacking
no.
me personally.
No.
Personally.
Mr. Waris Pathan, I just want to ask you a very simple question of your that stupid argument of voting at 18 and getting married at 18. No, first of all, let me make one thing very clear, and now you hear me quietly. I have heard you enough. Don't scream at me. Don't shout. Do not shout. Do not shout, okay? First of all, understand one fundamental difference, that if a girl votes at the age of 18, it is not physically and emotionally draining. But if a girl gets married at the age of 18 and produces a child, it is physically as well as emotionally very, very draining. But you won't understand this because you have just now made a comment, a statement where you said that I got married as per my choice in your family. I'm sorry I'm making it personal, but I have to say this because you have forced me to say so, that in your family,
When did you get married? Who are you to be personal with me? When did you get married?
I can get married as per their choices.
When did you sign the
But the girls
contract?
are forced to get married at the age of 13, 14, 15, 16 because as per Mr. S.T. Hassan, a girl gets fertile. She becomes fertile at the age of 13.
You were talking
So
about
after
Modi.
that she can get married.
At what age did you get married?
Mr. S.T.
Answer to my
Hassan.
question.
Okay, opening the debate right now. I think we are getting some very strong feedback to the points which Waris Pathan is raising. And Amina Sherwani, well-known social activist from Delhi, would also like to come in. I think, Amina, 1 second. The real question is, who are you to decide for women? Who are you to decide?
This was decided by women. Very large consultations were done by the Jaya Jaitley committee.
Who is Modi to decide?
And thousands
Who is
of
Modi
young
to
women.
decide?
Stop it, Waris! Stop it! Stop it, I say! Stop it!
And Waris Pathan, please listen.
Stop it, Waris!
Thousands
Waris in the middle.
of
Waris, stop it! Listen to others.
All of them unanimously said they would like to get married later, not earlier. This law is not being made by Modi. I also oppose Modi, perhaps much more
Absolutely
than
true.
Modi.
Absolutely true.
But this has got nothing to do with Modi at all.
Modi will
This
say
is what
stop
women
eating this.
wanted.
So Arnab, everybody should stop eating that. Tomorrow Modi will say stop wearing jeans. So the entire nation must stop wearing jeans. Tomorrow Modi will say don't drink too much water. So the entire nation must stop drinking water. Tomorrow Modi will dictate with terms that don't watch
What kind
movies
of
in theatre.
argument
Should I stop
you're making,
watching
Waris
movies?
Pathan? At
Tomorrow
least
Modi will
have
say
some
don't
sense,
watch
some
debates.
sense.
Ambar, Zaidi,
You are
Ambar,
discussing
Ambar,
about
Ambar,
women
Ambar,
rights. It
Ambar.
is the issue of women rights.
Modi will dictate all kind of terms.
Ambar, go on, Ambar. He's not
Yes.
stopping. Go on.
Waris Pathan is making absolutely baseless argument. You are comparing women with jeans, with drinks and whatnot. For them, women are just a commodity. An object of desire. You just want women to produce kids, and so that you can increase your vote bank. Is that what you want women to do for you to make your politics stronger?
Amina Sherwani
That's
also.
it.
Amina.
You are comparing women with jeans.
It is not like they only
Amina,
want women.
others down. Amina.
Have you read the report?
Amina, what is in the middle? Amina.
Women are facing malnutrition. Women are facing malnutrition. They are anemic and they are not medically ready to get married at the age of 18. They are facing medical issues.
Decides not to marry and have a child, the same men will attack her. It's not like they want women to have babies. They want
Arey,
women
हम पर बहन when Modi was the chief minister,
want women to have babies. If someone wishes to have a baby, they will come out
What is the
and kill her.
malnutrition rate in our country? You don't know that. You don't have the data. I've got the data with me. I've got the data to show what malnutrition is.
No, you have every data. You know everything, and despite knowing everything, you are doing a baseless argument here. You know much more than me. But
Okay, now Sanju is back on the debate. Now these men viewers, these men like Waris Pathan want to decide when a girl should get married. Allow me. Earlier they wanted to decide when they should get a woman can get divorced. Be quiet here. I'm giving it back to you. Listen. I'm going to give you a walloping back on my program verbally, so you have to grin and bear it. Listen to me now. Earlier, people like Waris Pathan wanted to decide when women can get divorced. Now they want to decide when a girl should get married. What next? They will want to decide whether a girl can be educated. Then they will decide who the girl should get married to. Then they will decide what a woman should wear, how to wear, and that's what they want to do. Essentially, this is the regressive.
It is indeed tragic that our society has got men who are control freaks. And they are just building on patriarchy, and I don't know why does it become Modi versus Waris Pathan. Both these men don't matter at all.
How many talaks have taken place? How many divorces have taken place? Nothing. Modi says
they
this
want
is
to get
good.
married later.
370
Tomorrow women
is
will choose
better.
to want to get married
CA is
younger.
better.
Sanju is on the debate. Sanju.
Farmers. Modi has to go and apologize to the farmers. Modi says something without even following, imagining what will be the repercussion of that.
Please mind your language.
Modi
Because
dictates
people
law
like you pay lip
without
service to the cause
feeling
of
what
women
will
on
be the
only television shows.
repercussion.
Prime Minister Modi had the
Modi
courage of
does not
conviction
know that he
to
doesn't
ban
have any
instant
logic.
triple talaq. 22 Muslim countries have banned it. And since people like you and people from your community, like Asaduddin Owaisi said, instant triple talaq done to diya hai. And you have the audacity to come and say who is Modi. Modi is the man who spoke about men who spoke about the Jamaat of the Red Fort. Modi is the man under whom
Audio, please.
at birth today is 1,023
Last question tonight. Last question tonight. My last question, my very last question is, and Waris, be stopped. The very last question, Mamta, which I put before everyone tonight watching the debate, and I just can the din be brought down, producers, slowly, so I can make my point. I asked tonight, in all seriousness, why do you need to be 25 to contest elections? Should women then be allowed to become members of parliament at the age of 18? If I ask the question, Waris will be the first person to say no. He will want a woman to be married off against her will at the age of 18. But he will never want a woman to enter the assembly or parliament at the age of 18. That's the truth. That's the truth.
Absolutely.
And you've been cornered on the debate. That's the other truth tonight.
Absolutely.
You've not had an answer on the debate. That's the truth tonight.